Hi everyone, in the previous sessions we have gone through introduction to the Python data structures, list, tuple and dictionary methods. In the today's session we are going to discuss about set and its methods in Python. So basically set is nothing but a built-in data structure which is useful for storing the elements, and these elements are separated by the commas and enclosed in the curly brackets. So the set elements are basically stored with the help of hash values, nothing but the hash functions that we will learn in the advanced topic of Python programming. So in the today's session we are going to discuss about some of the set methods which are really useful in the real world applications. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first there are n number of set methods. Those are remove, add, discard, clear, union, pop, difference, intersection, is subset and superset is superset. In the today's session we are going to discuss about four methods in set. Those are discard, add, remove, intersection and difference, which are very useful in the real world. So without any further delay, let's have a practical view on these methods so that you can better understand about the topic. So coming to the set methods in Python, so as I said, set is a built-in data structure, and it is enclosed with the curly bracket, and the values or the elements are separated by comma. So first let us create a sample set. So let us name it as set1 equal to curly brackets open, where we'll give values 13, 9, 12, again 90. So printing the set, here the set does not print the 12. Let's see the set output be. And run it. Here you can see the 12 is printed only one time, not the twice, which means the set does not allow duplicate values. So set does not allow the duplicate values. That is the key note in the set. Okay, now let us go with the set methods. Let me have two sets, like set1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and set2 equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want to find the difference between the sets. So how can we find the difference between the sets? Means with the help of difference method in Python, we can easily find the difference. And how it happens, let's see. Just print a dot just a set1 dot difference of set 2, we just print it. Let's see which output it generates. So it is basically giving me only 1 comma 2. Actually we have 3 comma 4 also in the set A, but they are common in the set 2, so that output is not printed in case of difference. So difference shows the unique values that are present in the set 1 but not in the set 2. So let's try like this. If I do print set 2 dot difference of set 1, and try to print it, it is giving me 5 comma 6, which are unique values. So 5 comma 6 are the unique values that are present in the set 2. Okay, this is how we will find the difference between the two sets, where only the unique values are retrieved from the first set apart from the second set. For suppose if we want the common values that are present in both the sets, then we prefer intersection. Method in Python. So let's see how we can do. For suppose if I say print the common elements in both the sets are, so set 1 dot intersection of set 2. So it gives me the common values. Just run it here. The 3 comma 4 are the common values that are present in the set 1 and set 2. Okay, so this is the common value that is present in the set 1 and set 2. For suppose if I want to remove 3 from the set 1, so remove an element from the set 1. So here we will do print. So first we will remove and then we will print the set. So set 1 dot remove of 3, and I want to print the updated set after removal. After the removal of 3 from the set. So set 1, I'll run it. So 3 is removed from the set. For suppose if the element is already removed, and if I try to remove again, or else if the element is not which is not present in the set, and I try to apply the remove method, then it will give me a key error that does not find the element 3 in the set. In this case, we will use discard method in Python. So I'll use set1 dot discard of 3. So print set1. So if I rerun it, it does not shows me any key error like remove. In this case, we will use the discard. Basically, if we don't know whether the value is exactly present in the set, and we want to remove the same element, at that time we will use discard. So coming to the last but not the least, if suppose if I want to add some element into the set, then we will use the add method in Python. And key note is that we cannot have a duplicate value. So if I try to add the set1 dot add of 3 and print the 3 is inserted, so I'll check it with the print statement and run it. It shows me the 3 is present in the set. So these are the basic and few methods that are present in the set which we will use in Python. So coming back to our presentation, I have discussed in the practical view, that is we will use the discard method to remove a specified element from the set, where if the present is not, if the element is not present in the set, it does not throw any error which is useful. And coming to the other method that we have discussed, that is add, we can add an element easily into the set, and the keynote is that we cannot add any duplicate values into the set. So this is about the set and its methods. In the upcoming sessions, we are going to discuss about lot more details of user defined data types, looping statements, and so on. This is Gayatri from Learning and Expertise signing off.